Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel DIY Ideas. Garden decor can enhance the beauty of the plants in your garden. The accents you choose give your garden its style and identity. Garden decorations can be used to draw visitors to your garden, to call attention to specific aspects of the garden, or to liven up uninteresting areas. The garden can be a great place to showcase meaningful works of art. Sculptures made of metal, wood, stone, and other natural materials look at home in the garden. Some people even transform trash or other found objects into interesting and folksy garden art. Strong garden accents such as statues, urns, and obelisks can be used to draw the eye along a path, visually lengthening the space. This is a valuable technique for making small gardens seem larger and for creating an interesting view where there is not one. When choosing garden decorations, let your imagination be your guide. Typical garden decorations include urns, flags, gnomes, fountains, and even bird feeders. But you can decorate your garden with anything that strikes your fancy: an old bicycle, antique garden tools, a favorite rock, a handmade mosaic, or even an outdoor fireplace. You can use garden decor to create garden rooms for outdoor gathering and relaxing. Create living walls with hedges, flower borders, or potted plants. The floor could be either a lawn or a patio made of brick or stone. If the area lacks shade or shelter, put up a gazebo or patio umbrellas. Furnish the space with comfortable seating and tables. Various types of furniture in wood, metal, wicker, and plastic are appropriate for outdoor decorating. Use wrought iron lanterns or solar-powered fixtures to provide light after the sun goes down.